Oh, Snap on Man is here. Snap on Wednesday. Let's get this show on the road. Oh,
One day it's like 2 o'clock and the next it's 11:30. Hey,
what's up?
Snap on Wednesday.
What's up?
Yeah, man, Snap on Wednesday. It's been a while. Couple weeks.
Tyler's been a busy man, I believe.
Very busy.
Yeah, Mr. Snappy didn't show
Look
up
at
last
this.
week. I know, I see that.
I like the height. It's nice.
Oh, sure. 1 week out of 108. You're gonna hold it against me.
Is that the box you had on
No.
Facebook the other day?
The one that I had on Facebook the other day was the big one that
Oh.
was here.
Oh, okay.
I like it without the lip on the front.
I like this.
Well,
mean,
the
I'm
other
not-
one had a stainless top.
I
This
don't.
one
Yeah,
does not.
I don't like the height of it, but it's a nice looking box though. I like it.
You don't like it because you're 6 foot. I like it because I'm 5 feet. It's nice.
That's a big one. What size is that? 86?
72.
72? Oh, same size as his?
Really? It looks longer.
Wow.
Cool.
It does look longer, doesn't it?
I did not put them on yet, just in case somebody doesn't want them. But this one came with carbon fiber drawer fronts.
Oh, nice. For all of them?
Every drawer,
Really?
which might actually look pretty cool. I don't know.
That actually looks really nice. Interesting. Do you have to order it that way, or is it just
nice.
just came with
Those down there.
I like.
Oh, really cool.
So I should put them on? Is that what you're saying?
That is a nice box. Love the blacked out Snap-on logo.
Yeah, this is a blackout box, so all the trim, everything is black.
Oh, okay, wheels and everything too.
Yeah,
Cool.
The whole thing's black. Oh, and a power drawer.
Nice.
Up high.
Yeah, has to be up high. Electrical standards require that it's at least 10 inches off the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Except for mine.
Well,
Did you
if
take a
me-
permit out on your box?
You know what? Though,
No.
Bill, if
You
you
didn't
measured,
draw a permit from the
if you
city.
measured
no?
off the floor, it probably is that far.
I think it's 10 inches.
10
That-
inches.
that-
Yeah.
That's why it's up here
Yeah.
and not down there.
What's nice, if you're gonna line your guns up in there, you can reach them without bending over.
Yeah. Well, it's mine's not. It's not a hassle or anything. It's decent.
Carbon fiber.
I like that.
Give you $100 for it?
Give $100 for this.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh.
I'm happy with my toolbox.
Oh, you're talking
Tom.
money. Never mind.
I would have picked a shorter
I'm good,
toolbox
I'm good.
if
Yeah.
I wanted one.
Yep, usually.
Oh, so what's new, Tyler? You out just delivering boxes to people the last couple of weeks?
I have delivered a lot of boxes in the last few weeks. Yes.
Rock and roll cab.
And I had that one on Monday, and the guy bailed on me at the last minute.
Oh
I
yeah.
was actually on my way to drop it off.
Oh really?
Yep. We knew all along that he was going into a service truck.
Oh yeah.
What I didn't know is that it was a small Sprinter van.
Oh,
Oh really? So you put a big box
So
like
we
that
went-
onto it,
we
you got
went
no
the deal. I
room.
brought this one in. Right, I bought this one,
Yeah.
took the other one out, transferred the product from the other one into this one,
Yeah.
loaded this one back in, and then the other one in to deliver it. And Monday morning I got the call.
Oh yeah.
I got to back out on the deal. Won't fit in my service truck. Probably should have measured the hole before you did this.
yeah. Yeah.
I'm just saying.
I got this new bathtub, but it won't fit up the stairs. Fuck.
So
Yeah, we did that.
I
We've done
ended
that
up
before.
with an extra box.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I
The
really
other
like.
one's the
I
extra
really
brown,
like the blackout trim. It's nice. I like it.
which really sucked, but hey, what did it?
And there's none of the. It doesn't have the pillars like mine has here between them. It's nice and
Oh,
clean.
that's what it's missing too.
Well,
Yeah.
that's the difference between the
It's a clean look. I like it.
Classic Series and the Master Series,
Right.
right?
Oh, okay. So this one
Master
is the
Series
classic.
has
Yeah.
the
This
trim
one-
in the middle and the corners.
Yep.
Classic has nothing.
It's nice and clean.
Classic look.
Yeah.
There you go. Updated with a power drawer.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, you have this out for Jesse, just in case he needs to be bushwhacking while he's on the snap-on truck. It's actually a pretty cool looking knife.
Oh, I like that. I like the old school look to it. I can't do that. I can't pull it out with my one hand. Yeah. That's a nice looking knife.
It's a good knife.
What do you mean you don't have your payment today?
Are you sure you don't want to do your oil change today, sir? Snap on
What do you
Wednesday, bitches.
Hell of a persuader.
Have a great day, Tyler.
You as well, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, last week I ran behind.
Yeah. Oh, I bet it's not a big deal. I got there's a couple of things I need, but I can never remember. Oh, you know what we need to talk about is our shop does not have a fuel pressure tester. So I need to get a quote for like a master kit.
Do you use banjo fittings or
Not generally, no.
Schrader valves? On
We
the
don't
fuel
even
rail?
we don't have Schrader valves either. It's all like the quick connect ones.
Yeah, okay, so you need a master kit.
Yeah. So we need to we want to get a quote for it anyway. I was left with getting a quote. Went to go use one. I went to go do a fuel pressure test yesterday, and I'm like, oh, fuck, we don't even have one here. It was
Kind of odd.
Bindi was the one that used to have it, so I thought that it was I thought we had a shop tool, but we don't.
That's a quote.
Okay, cool.
What did I get in? It was new. I had it even in my head. And it leaked out.
Not much new coming out right now. Oh, I saw the long 1/4-inch long neck ratchet I saw online.
Yes.
Those are coming.
That's new.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're available now.
Yeah.
You
Cool.
bet.
Like your shirt.
You know, truer words have never been spoken, right? Feels
awesome.
weird walking around in a t-shirt, and not that's
Oh,
your
I know,
company
right?
shirt, but
Yeah. I know. I haven't.
I like the weather.
I haven't taken my
so-
shorts off since it got sunny. I haven't put pants on. It's great. I love summer. Oh yeah, I ordered one of those, right? Remember? I broke mine. I'm not gonna say how, but I broke it. So I think you ordered that for me last time we were in.
Did I have the hoodie promo on last time? I don't think
Not
so.
that I'm aware of.
Buy $150 out of my sale bin, get a free hoodie.
Nice. Which hoodie? The one that I have?
Nope.
Oh, I like it already.
Back.
Oh, that's all right. That's cool.
The Dream Drive winners will be announced in April.
Cool.
Word is that somebody in BC did win one of the ground prizes. So
Really?
we don't know who yet.
Yeah. So they already know.
Yes.
And then, did you already do the fridge and the?
Yeah, those are all over.
Oh yeah.
There's that missing from your
Oh
kit.
yeah. Right there. See it? Yeah, because mine was yellow or red. Sorry. Cool.
That. Because you had one of those broken, right?
Yep. And I think there's something that I need to, but I can't remember. I have to look. I'll go through my toolbox.
What the hell was it? I don't know now.
It's a brain fart. Wait till next week.
But some things you probably haven't seen, they aren't new. Magnetic paper towel holder.
Yep. Have you seen them? I have those on the side of my box, but they're not come to the point.
Why not?
Because I bought them before you guys had them. Mine were from Princess Auto.
Waiting for the lightning bolt to come down. We have a number of magnetic accessories for your toolbox. The paper towel holder, the can holder,
Oh yeah.
and there's also a glove holder for a box of latex gloves.
Yeah. Are those all? Oh, those are all magnetic.
These
stuff,
are
right?
all magnetic, yeah.
Cool.
Or you can also get them to go into the slots and dots program.
Yeah. For the side of the box.
Oh.
Careful there.
So obviously a hutch has this on the back wall. Or you can buy these panels
Oh, I see how that works.
that bolt to the end of your toolbox.
Yeah.
They use the handle holes, and then you can hook stuff onto there.
That's cool. It's a good idea. I love add-on shit.
Big Jenga game.
Oh, I know what it is now. I'll show you in a bit. I'll show you after when you come back in.
I don't know, I'm having a brain fart. I'll figure it out.
Oh, that's all right. It's time for me to go back in the shop anyway.
Back to work.
All right. Oh, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. It's a busy day. Like every fucking day these days. So, what did I get off the truck today? I had to reorder these flat picks. I broke mine. I'm not going to say how I broke it, but I broke it. Anyway, so Tyler had to order a brand new one. And so I got that in and just replaced a missing screwdriver. So pay some more off the bill. But what we did get for the shop anyway, the master fuel injection pressure gauge set. This thing's cool as hell. It's this is the global set, so this deals with everything. I'll tell you the part number of this thing. EEF1500A. So this thing is good for pretty much any fuel system you guys can think of. Yeah, so I've already used it. I used it once already today, and it worked perfectly. Had to diagnose a bad fuel pump, and so that's all good. So money well spent for the shop. I didn't obviously pay for it. Retails somewhere around $780 Canadian. So it's a bit to chew, but you know, like it's one of those tools that it should have been a shop tool, and we didn't have one in the shop, so now we have one in the shop. So now everyone can use it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Lots going on. I have not filmed my toolbox tour yet. I am in the middle of cleaning up everything in the toolbox. I may or may not wait to get my hutch, which should be, Tyler said it should be shipped out tomorrow, and I will probably see it in the next week or 2 weeks. And so we're still a little ways away for that. Still haven't got my top yet, but it is in the process of getting made that I am aware of. So that's all good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I may do a Sunday vlog this Sunday and let everyone know what's been going on, into a little bit more into depth about you know, what's been keeping me off YouTube for the last little while. It's kind of sporadic. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed today's Snap on Wednesday. I know I always love my Wednesdays. So remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. And peace out, guys. I will see you next week. Thanks.